He's still in college. Hi. He wants to be an anesthesiologist.
Well, like you.
No, I'm a ventriloquist. An anesthesiologist puts people to sleep.
Hey. Yeah, I know. Hi.
Kevin.
Hi.
You can pop it up here, and you guys are fighting.
There's a little
Well,
guy.
we need to continue the rose race.
That guy is really small. Guys, can you send me roses for facing up here?
Respect the puppets.
Everywhere.
Ooh, a little Tootsie action. Oh! Whoa! Okay.
What are they doing?
Don't let him see. You got it. He's too young and newborn.
Yeah. So, hey.
Yeah.
Wow, this is lots of fun.
Shawty got that juicy booty you see from the front. Natural beauty. Doja Cat supports
Don't
you.
touch me.
What's going on? I don't know what's going on.
Get on me.
Puppets
Get on
never
me
bite.
back.
They never bite.
Blinky stop babysitting your sons. Take them in RATCHETTIKLOMBO gang home.
Okay, so, Jerry. Okay. Look at all these girls. So you like the girls, I gather, huh, Jerry?
No, I like the girls I gather. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the guy. I think the guy with the white hair is like talking or something.
I didn't like that one.
They have that like similar.
Let's see who the best human puppet is. Kevin, will you sit in the chair here? And let's have the girls sit on your lap, and whoever's the best human puppet gets $200.
Well, I haven't.
All right.
And we're doing this is an 18+ show. It's college students, so don't worry about being kid friendly. Use your hand on her jaw.
Stop pulling on.
There we go.
Okay.
There we go, ladies.
Yes.
Nicely done.
So now when I tap you on the shoulder, this one.
To Mike? Oh, to Cam? Okay. Oh, okay.
Out of here.
Mute your phone.
Sorry, hard music. No. Okay. All right. Okay. If I tap on the shoulder, you'll see it off.
No, you have to use your hand on my jaw or I'll get eliminated.
Oh, okay. All right. So, what is your first name?
Is that it?
Julianna.
3 syllables. Okay, try that again. What is your first name?
You can leave the music.
Yeah, we're gonna
Scott, we put this in the hallway.
Nice one.
Okay, sorry. All right.
Girls, just sit up with your hands
Did we turn that off?
Yep, it's off.
Oh, there we go. Perfect. Julianna, bounce up and down like you're a little doll.
I don't know if I can do that.
Okay, here we go. I can't believe this. This is
Just start the act, bro.
I mean, put it in.
Kevin, stop fighting the urges to motor.
Don't rush it.
Do it.
Julianna, bounce up and down.
Okay, all right.
Go ahead.
Okay. So,
No battery?
and
You can make me talk.
Yeah, grab her head. Grab her head.
how old are you?
24.
Where did that come from?
24?
Yeah.
I'm 124.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah.
People say I look pretty good for 124.
Control my mouth and make me say something back, bro.
This is
Thank you so much.
output. Very good. You got more roses?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you like roses?
We need to
I love
this mic
roses.
is going.
Thank you for the
This
rose.
input.
Inside
That's really good. You both did really good.
It should
How many roses do you have?
accepting both.
Over 100.
Because this one was
We only 100 roses?
I'm very popular.
Not these? I thought that's what he
He
did.
loves it.
You're doing great.
This is so good.
Let him do his thing, Julianna. Don't resist.
So
It sounded bad.
I'm not.
when did you?
That's what we
How
had.
long did it take you to get 100 roses?
I've only been here like 10 days.
This is the mix.
So 100 roses in 10 days. That's pretty
Yeah,
awesome.
that's impossible.
10 a day.
I should, honestly.
This
Okay,
is the
so-
mixer is impossible.
You like roses and
Unless we're running.
and you like to receive roses.
Yes, and
So now we got
tulips.
the mics going into the
And
camera.
tulips.
Maybe that'll make a difference. And plus it'll.
I won't go there.
You can. Tulips like a pussy.
Appreciate the ventriloquist. Greg in the boys will. Kevin is great. Kevin, stay the night.
Kind of does look like
Is
puppet.
somebody talking to me?
I'm dressed like a
I
pussy.
don't think so.
Somebody said Kevin. I don't know if that's my name.
Kevin bricked up right now.
Ah!
Yeah.
That's weird.
Okay. All right. Okay. So we have.
Which little puppets did that?
Was that a sound effect or was that real? That was, okay. All right. Okay. So you're looking at the camera and telling people we don't have where you're from. Where were you born?
New York.
In New York City?
Not the city.
Not the city. Nobody can afford the city.
No.
I'm singing this singing that bad.
Okay. All right. So, do you like to? What do you like to do?
I like to do computer stuff.
HTML, Java, Superscript, C++, Python.
Which it's from.
C++.
I just unplugged this mic.
Which one?
This mic is in the
So now,
in.
if you like C++, do you also use
This mic is unplugged.
to program in Python?
I'm not as good at Python.
I don't even know what that source is.
Plug the mic.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so do you use JavaScript?
Kevin the Tickle
I
Master.
don't know about Java.
It's still not
I think they should teach
Yes. I'll try turning up on
Kevin
it.
the Tickle Master.
We need to.
Kevin the Tickle
Okay,
Master.
all right, so
We have to
so
legislature.
Kevin the Tickle Master.
is that a recording? What is that?
Well, you have to make me talk so I can tell you.
Oh, okay.
That's text to speech.
Come on, hurt me.
It's the chat.
Oh, text.
Kevin, my man, you gotta jam your hand up their ass and work their mouths manually. It's the only way.
Okay. How does that feel?
It doesn't feel great. It hurts.
Okay, very good. All right. Okay, so I took your advice. I did that, but hopefully you can't see from the back here. All right. So if you like, my hand up your. I don't even know how to say this, but.
Kevin, it's okay. You can kiss her. It is a college show, not a gay show.
I'm old enough to be her great-great-great-great-grandfather, so,
Julianna, if you keep this running for 10 minutes, I'll give you 5 roses. Carry on. Make
Send us some
it good,
roses.
Julianna.
I'm trying.
Sexy.
Send us all roses.
this is Boston's Green the Monster. You put your hand up there, and just move the mouth,
Oh, okay.
okay? And you can say, screw you, or whatever, make the puppet say stop.
Fuck you bitches, you're fucking ugly and fat. You're kind of mean, you know.
This is really good. Okay,
You can stop saying for real.
You can say fuck. Yeah.
Can I stand up? No.
One time.
No, guys. Sam had to You guys.
Do not be distracted by these white bullies, Kevin. They won't